Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Benny Mutale who left and now I'm fully back, as in very consistent right now. So you can see in the video is laundry day with my son. We decided to keep our clothes clean, our cupboard clean from every dirty cloth. My son cannot miss such an occasion. He's probably everywhere where you see water, where there is water. This boy cannot miss. Yeah, he is. This child has to disturb me all through while washing dresses. He could not just stay. He's so happy to be among water, as I can put it. Soap water will enter your eyes. You want what? Shoot, 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 shoot. So at the juncture, I was done with the washing of my son dresses because I start with his. I had to rinse first, the first time. The young man is very consistent, disturbing, and here is the second time to rinse the dresses. I had to use sublime to have a good smell, a good sensation, like a perf. Go back. Go back. Killian. Killian. Go back. Stay there. So now I'm done with the rinsing of dresses. It's time to spread them. I have to put my son's towel on the rope and his dresses on his dryer because I had my own dresses which I have to put on the rope, so I have to use his own dryer to dry his dresses properly. So I'm done spreading the dresses. I had to go back to the bathroom, starting now with my own dresses to wash them as well. I have a lot to wash today. It was so much. So I'm done washing. It's time to rinse the dresses. After rinsing, I have to come out to spread. And I'm back in the bathroom. These are some bedspread. I had to change and do some washing. So at this point, if you take note, my son was already sleeping in the air. I have to carry him to bathe him at once because of the cold, so he can sleep very well. Why won't he be sleeping? Too much busybody. I'm done bathing him. I had to carry him to the bedroom for proper rubbing and to put on his dress. After I'll be done, I have to carry him now so he could sleep. Finally, he slept. I laid him on the bed. I have to support with a pillow so he could not roll. And I'm back in the bathroom to finish with my washing of the bedspread. This is probably the last thing I'm washing right now. At this juncture, I'm done. It's time to rinse. So guys, this was all about the day. I'm done.